Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to add location to Instagram post, and now let's dive right in. Now to add location to Instagram post, first open up your Instagram app, and from over here guys we'll be required to make a post in order to add that location. So let's tap on the plus button at the bottom middle of the screen, and from over here let's go to the post section. From over here let's swipe the button at the bottom of the screen from the reel to the post. And from over here guys you'll be able to choose your post, but I'll be just taking a picture for a demo purpose. And after you have done your editing, over here tap on the next at the top right corner of the screen, and on this section guys you can see the add location button available for us. Tap on that add location button and you will be able to choose any location you like, either from the you can see the Google Maps itself. You can choose your recommended locations over here. Either you can search for it. Let's search for another city on another country, and it will be available for you guys over here. And if you tap on it, that location will be added on your Instagram post, and you can see it on the Google map if you tap that location over here. And the moment you tap on the share button at the bottom of the screen guys, that post will be posted with your location on it. And guys, this is how to add location on Instagram post. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.